Hello traders, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. USDCAD. Today I will talk about its current sideways movement before maybe jumping higher. Risk disclaimer here, don't forget to read it. It's important to understand the risks. So let's take a look. USDCAD, sideways movement here, and unfortunately, it has failed to take out 1.36 psychological level. A new maybe retreat, a new drop here. Unfortunately, let's take a look on the DXY. The DXY continues to stay here, continues to challenge this supply zone. I've talked about the DXY, the dollar index, today in my market breakdown video for the VIP group, and I've said that as long as it stays above the medium line, it could still extend its growth after this rally, maybe a retreat. Right now, continues to challenge, as I've said, this supply zone, and I've said also today in that market breakdown video that staying near 104.21 may signal an imminent breakout and then continuation, and the upside an upside continuation here should force the US dollar to appreciate versus its rivals. Okay, so that's why right now and in the short term, maybe this could be only a new retweet, a new drop on the USD CAD. Personally, will keep an eye on this level, former low 1.3548. Okay, this stands as a key support level, downside obstacle, a demand zone right above it, and right now maybe it could come back to retest this demand zone, maybe the pivot point, or failing to stabilize below the medium line here, and consolidating above the medium line may signal also here an imminent breakout and then continuation. So maybe personally I'm looking for longs, for new longs, for new USD longs. Surprisingly, guys, the US data came in better than expected on Friday, but the US dollar lost some ground versus its rivals, depreciated a little in the short term, but it could still dominate the currency market. It could take the lead. So on Friday, the non-farm payrolls, average hourly earnings, unemployment rate, preliminary West of Michigan consumer sentiment came in better than expected, guys, better than expected. And maybe, and it seems that maybe the US dollar depreciated a little in the short term, as tomorrow the US is to release the inflation data, the consumer price index, month over month, only a 0.0% growth expected in November versus 0.0% growth in October. The same consumer price index year over year, 3.1 versus 3.2 in the previous reporting period. Core CPI 0.3% growth versus 0.2, guys. So tomorrow the US economic data should really shake the markets, and in my opinion, guys, better than expected, or higher inflation, guys. Higher inflation could force the US dollar to appreciate. Could boost the greenback, the US dollar, and only maybe worse than expected inflation, below expectations data could weaken maybe the US dollar, the greenback. As I've said, technically staying above this demand zone, test retest, and making a very breakout here, taking out 1.36 psychological level, making a new higher high, could open the door for a potential upside continuation upwards movement, guys. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to read the disclaimer, and YouTube channel, our YouTube channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the link below this video if you want to join the VIP groups. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.